Hello everyone, it's Alex. Welcome back to my channel. We are here to do my next update on 9 by 9 in 2019. I'm not going to remind you what update it is because I always forget. So that's not why you're here anyway. So I have 9 products that I have been working on, and you guys, I'm doing so good in this project pan. I'm getting a little nervous that next year I'm going to suck at this, but we have 9 products. I do have some great finishes with some of them. I will be rolling some new in, so you guys can stay tuned for that. So we're just going to go ahead and get started. So let's start out with a product that is still here from day 1, but that is fine. As usual, if I have any tallies, I will put them up on the screen so you guys can see my progress on all these products. I know you guys love to see that. I personally love to see that, so I make it a point to do that for you guys. So here is my Sigma eyeshadow base. Here we are, you guys. Look how much I have left. Holy cannoli. Isn't that exciting? I'm so happy. This, I have guessed that I would be done by the end of summer, and I think I am on target for this. I am very, very excited. I can't wait to finish this up because it's encouraging me to use more of my shadow sticks, at least the neutral ones. I don't know about my colorful ones, but at least my neutral ones. So this is still going strong. I will still continue to use it. I have a feeling by the end of August, this one should be done. My e.l.f. brow pencil. I had a little bit left before, and you guys, I am officially done. Officially done with this one. There is nothing left in here. I am very, very excited. This is my second brow pencil I finished this year. I go buy them. I don't know if that's fast or not, to be honest with you. I don't know. I'm working on another one in a different project pan, so I'm very excited that I am finished with this one because it's good. I just don't like how thick it is. So I don't know if I'll repurchase it. It's one of those ones where if I'm stuck in a bind, I don't mind using. It's just that I wish it was thinner in its tip of the actual lead itself. Urban Decay lip liner, you guys. I hustled for this one because I really wanted to get this one done. And sure enough, you guys, we are finished. This is just scraping my face, like see, look. I try to give you a swatch. This just literally broke off. It was getting drier. I can't sharpen this anymore. The actual end of this came off trying to sharpen this, so I'm not even gonna bother to sharpen it. I only have that much left to really look at it, so I'm calling this one done. I am officially done. That lip liner was nice. I love the formula of the Urban Decay one. It's just the color for me was a little bit too deep, which now I understand. I don't like a true pink lip liner, but I'm done. You guys, another lip liner has been finished for this year. I'm very excited to see how many lip liners I finish this year. I am working on another one in a different project pan as well. Too Faced Shadow Insurance. This is where I was. Where am I? This is where I was. This is my second update of it, and I am basically like here. I'm all the way down here, so I didn't even label it because I can really push this down, and I'm below that. So I have a feeling this should be done next month, and then I'll roll in another eyeshadow primer. This one is okay. It's not my favorite, but it still gets its work done. So I'm going to continue to use it, but I'm not done yet, but I'm pretty sure it should be done soon. My Opal in liquid, you guys. Oh my goodness, this was such a pleasure to use. So I'm officially done with this, you guys. I have squeezed the crap. I squeezed it out. So there's nothing left in here unless I cut it and scrape the edges, but I'm not going to do that. This had such a beautiful scent to it. It had such a beautiful glow. I own the full size of this one, so I'm not upset that it's gone, but I'm so happy that I actually used this up. I really was going to declutter this and just move it out of my collection, and I'm happy I used it. How I used this was all over my face with my primer to give me a glowy look because I am using a very mattifying foundation that I'm not really a fan of that look anymore. So I'm trying to make it work. So this one is completely done. So I have another one under my belt that is finished. All right, this is my Becca Opal pressed, you guys. My goal was to hit pan on this. I will show you on the screen where I was the last time. As you guys know, this is completely broken off. I am wearing this today on my cheeks. Oh my goodness, you guys. I forgot how much I love this highlighter. So look at that pan. Look at that pan, you guys. That is amazing. I never thought I would hit pan on a second highlighter this year. Yes, this is deluxe sample size. This is very small, but it's 1.15 grams. I don't care. It's still hitting pan on a highlighter, a pressed highlighter, and I have fallen in love. I really want to use my full size one of this one now just because I just love how it looks with my tan. It just looks so, so pretty. So I hit my goal on this one, honestly. I am going to roll in another product because I think I'm going to be done this soon, but I still want to completely finish this up. So technically I'm going to have 10 products when I'm done doing this update, but know that that one is technically finished. Now here's a product that has officially failed me. This is the Becca Ever Matte Poreless Priming Perfector. This was brand new. I used it literally one time, you guys, and I hate this. I absolutely hated this. This one was absolutely terrible on my skin. It just sucked the life out of my skin. It did not play nicely with any of my foundations that I was using, so after that one use, I stopped using it, and I rolled this one in. This is my NARS Pore and Shine Control Primer. This is so much better. I really like this one. This was brand new, so my goal is to finish this up. This will probably last me 2 more months because of how well this works. I really like this primer. This might be the primer I stick with. I don't know, there's something about it I really like. This one I only used it once. I am going to send it to Drea to see if maybe she likes it, but I did not like that at all. It's super mattifying, like, I mean, super mattifying. So I rolled this one in instead on my own, and I'm going to continue to use this one until it's officially done. My Cargo Powder, you guys know this is going to last me up until probably next year. This weighed 52 grams when I first started. Right now I think it's at 46 or 48. I'll obviously put it on the screen so you guys can see. So you guys can see I am using grams out of it. I set my whole face with it. I have been setting my under eyes because I will be going on vacation away, which is making me anxious, seriously. I've been putting this under my eyes to see if it works, and it does work for my under eyes as well, so I am going to multitask this while I'm on vacation just to bring less things, but I still like this powder. This is what I'm wearing today, and I've been wearing my makeup now for almost 8 hours. It's 7.5 hours I've been wearing my makeup, and no touch-ups at all. So I love this powder. I really do. Last but not least is my Marc Jacobs Slow Burn. This is where I am at right now. I've been using this quite often. I don't know if you guys can see how I am bending it there. I'm not flattening it up. I'm more like angling it. So there might not be visible progress when I tally it up, but I have been using this a lot. For most of my videos, I do use this. I've been mixing it with a lot of my colorful lip products just to make it more subdued or more wearable or not so bright. But I do like mixing this with a lot of different shades. It's not a hassle for me. I've already panned one lipstick, so I am on a roll. I feel like I can keep going, so I'm going to keep trying to use this one up. My goal is to use this one up. It'll probably last me the full 6 months that we have left of this year because that's how long it lasted. Took me the last time to pan a whole lipstick. Okay, you guys, so now that we have gone through the progress, I finished one. I hit my goal on 1, 2, 3. Technically, I'm going to finish this one up. 4. So 4 products I have hit my goal on. So I'm going to go ahead and pick 4 more products to roll in so you guys can see what is next on my list. Alrighty, you guys. So we have 4 new products that we are going to be rolling in. I'm very excited about this one. First product I want to share with you guys is the Stila All Over Shimmer Liquid Luminizer. So as you guys can see, I have been using it. I think if I see this correctly, I'm about right here. So you guys could see the separation on here. How I've been using this is mixing this in with my lotion. It gives me the most beautiful glow on my skin. It is stunning. It's not shimmery or glittery. It's a glow. It's so pretty in the sun. I have used it on the tops of my cheeks and then topped it off. But obviously I like to mix the glowiness. Now that I have a tan, I feel like I like that. I like the glowy skin, and it's not such a big deal because it is more of a nail polish type, so I just put it on there with the lotion and then go ahead and put it all over my body. My goal is to completely finish this up. We'll see how that goes. I will mark it so you guys can see, and I'll do my best to scrape it, but I have a feeling that should not be that hard to finish considering I've been really enjoying that as a body lotion thing. The other one that I'm rolling in, this was also brand new, Laura Geller Liquid Gelato Pillow Top Illuminator. So this I've been using for my face illuminator. There was like a cushion thing here, and I have another one. I don't like it. It just is not sanitary for me. So my goal is to use this whole thing up. I've been putting this, mixing it with my primer, and I am wearing it today under my skin, and it looks so pretty. It doesn't give me this glow that is so glittery. I have worn this out in the sun, and it has not shown to be, not any of the Cullens from Twilight. You can hear that it's liquidy. So it's a nice formula. It works well with my lotion, especially the foundation that I am using. It's so matte. I need something like this, and it's been working well. Again, 7.5 hours of my face is on and I don't have anything glowy or super oily. So this has been working. So my goal is to completely finish this one up as well. So I'm bringing in 2 illuminators this time, you guys. I'm gonna work it. The next one I want to finish up is my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. Since I use this every day, why not put it in a project pan? It's not a hassle. I enjoy it. I've been wearing it every single day. So here is where I am at. I will obviously mark it so you guys can see. I am pretty sure, as you guys know, I will not be able to scrape everything out of this because of its whole entire mechanism that it has. I will do my best to completely use this up. That's my goal. I love it. This is mine in NC20. So that is the third product that I'm putting in. And as you guys can see what I'm bringing in, it's kind of tough. So I'm going to balance it out with a mascara. My next mascara I want to use is this Lise Watier V Element Volcanic Minerals Mascara. So my goal is obviously to completely use this one up. I don't find that to be an issue. I just wanted to throw a gimme product in here so you guys can see things churny and not just the same old boring thing over and over and over. I'm very excited. I used 4. I rolled in 4. That's been my usual thing this year. Only last month that I only rolled out 3 and rolled in 3. But it's very, very exciting. I'm very, very happy with this project pan. I've been using a lot of my crap. And that's the whole goal. As you guys know, I will not be panning any eyeshadows. I just not my thing. But everything else is full game in here. And that's my goal, is to use up the rest of my collection and to kind of curate the rest of my collection minus the eye products, because you guys know that'll never happen. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're interested in another project pan, I will post it right here so you guys can check out more project pans and sit back and relax and enjoy them. Until then, I'll catch you in that video. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.